Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Audi Q3 key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the metal key blade out of the fob. This step reveals a small slot, which is crucial for the next part of the process. Take your time to ensure the key is fully removed. Now, with the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Take a small, flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic. The two sections should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round coin cell battery. It's typically a CR2032 battery. Before you remove it, pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.